Baka maging sabog. Sabog ang audio.
Makilipat si...
Ay, nung lunes.
Next po, 13.
Makilipat si Canton sa Happiness.
Folder na.
Number 14. Entry number 15.
Number 4.
Number 17.
Ang mabul. Ang mabul sa bundok. Cute Kaya, picture daw po. Lang.
Last, nasa po yung 21?
May market, baby, and sama-sama. May pump.
Welcome po sa isa na namang makulay, masaya at makahulugang pagdiriwang, ang Kite Flying Contest. Today, we're not just flying kites. We're soaring high with pride, culture, and purpose. Tayo po ay sama-samang nagpapalipad ng diwa ng pagmamalasakit sa kalikasan habang binibigyang halaga ang ating kultura at kasaysayan. So get ready to see the skies come alive with vibrant colors, creativity, and community spirit. Once again, welcome to the Kite Flying Contest, where every flight tells a story and every kite carries a dream. So kanina po, nag-proceed na po tayo sa registration. Judges will check your kites based on your creativity, be inspired, and honor the purpose behind today's colorful celebration. To set the tones for today's open with a prayer and to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
We thank you for gathering us all today in this important endeavor. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each attendee. May we honor one another by keeping an open mind. May we voice our truth and listen with an open heart. Bless everyone present today, that each may be able to share his or her contributions and gifts. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this room, and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this day be a success through your intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in your name. Amen.
Maraming salamat po. You may now take your seats. May we call on Mr. Hill Francis Manguera to deliver his welcome remarks.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Sa ngalan po ng Pamahalang Bayan ng Buwak, sa pangunguna po ng ating butihing Mayor, Honorable Army de la Cruz Carrion, kayo po ay malugod naming wini-welcome dito sa ating Kite Flying Contest 2025. Nakaraang taon tayo ay 25, ngayon ay 20. Maging maayos, maganda yung ating pagpalipad. At good luck sa ating lahat. So, yun lang. At maraming salamat kasi hinintay natin yung hangin. Kaya hindi ko na pakakahabaan pa. Yung lahat at yun, good luck sa ating lahat. Thank you.
At last, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Let the kite flying contest begin. Participant po, please proceed to the designated flying area and let's make the skies of Buwak colorful and full of life, just like our butterflies.
Sige po, pwede na po kunin yung ating mga kite. Tapos sa aking hudyat, sabay-sabay po nating paliliparin ang ating mga saranggola. Sige po, pwesto na, pwesto. Okay na po, ready na? Asa? Sir, yung nasa dulo, anong number niyan? Anong number po niyan? Sige, sige. Okay na po, number 4, okay na? Okay, ready na po, ready? Sige, lipat na.
That, let me read po the citation of the certificate. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Marinduque, Municipality of Buwak, Certificate of Participation is awarded to for his excellent performance in the Lipad Bayan ng Buwak Carry On Kite Flying Contest in celebration of Bila-Bila Festival 2025 held at Buwak Sports Complex on May 21, 2025. Given this 21st day of May 2025 at Buwak Sports Complex, Buwak, Marinduque, signed Honorable Mark Anthony E. Senyo, Vice Mayor, and Honorable Army de la Cruz Carrion, Municipal Mayor. For runners naman po, Republic of the Philippines, Province of Marinduque, Municipality of Buwak, Certificate of Participation is awarded to for his excellent performance as runner in the Lipad Bayan ng Buwak Carry On Kite Flying Contest in celebration of Bila-Bila Festival 2025 held at Buwak Sports Complex on May 21, 2025. Given this 21st day of May 2025 at Buwak Sports Complex, Buwak, Marinduque. Signed, Honorable Mark Anthony E. Senyo, Municipal Vice Mayor, and Honorable Army de la Cruz Carrion, Municipal Mayor. Certificate of Participation is awarded to Jerry Mark M. Magalang. And Certificate of Participation is awarded to Arlan Largo as runner.
Harap ako. Wala sa'yo runner. Sa'yo runner.
Same certificate is awarded to Ian D. Piano. And Justin Kian Monteliana as runner. Same certificate is awarded to Austin James M. Hernandez and Jadreen M. Montales. Same certificate is awarded to Renzo J. M. Hasa and Gian Paulo Narvaez. Same certificate is awarded to Mark Revilla and John Matthew Mandia. Same certificate is awarded to Edgardo Jr. V. Opis and John Robert B. Opis.
Kapatid yan.
Same certificate is awarded to Abel Hasa and John Ernest Palagod. Danilo M. Evangelista I, and Christian Espiritu. Same certificate is awarded to Christian Joseph M. Garniel and Orly Morales. Same certificate is awarded to Redney Hasa and Clyde Hasa. Same certificate is awarded to Maria Felicia H. Hamid and Jason Hamid. Same certificate is awarded to Lord Leonard M. Malvar and Daryl Morales. Same certificate is awarded to Vito Malamig and Zunday Shena. Same certificate is awarded to Joseph Misael Manrique and Aldrin Nicole Josue. Same certificate is awarded to Aris Morales and John Benedict Montalban. Same certificate is awarded to Adrian Hokno and Theo Bagtas. Same certificate is awarded to Kent Albert Monteras and Jasper Monteras. Same certificate is awarded to David Jones Vernice and Sian Gabriel Maliksi. Same certificate is awarded to John Michael Magalang and John Mark Magkamil. Same certificate is awarded to Rednel M. Hasa and Zaid Alexander Hasa. Same certificate is awarded to John Paul M. Rosanto and Chris Ivan Banalo. certificate of appreciation to our judges. Let me read the citation of the certificate. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Marinduque, Municipality of Buwak. Certificate of appreciation is awarded to Engineer John Kashmir L. Liave for being one of the judge during the Lipad Bayan ng Buwak Carry-On Kite Flying Contest in celebration of Bila-Bila Festival 2025 held at Buwak Sports Complex on May 21, 2025. Given this day of May 2025 at Buwak Sports Complex, signed Honorable Mark Anthony E. Senyo, Municipal Vice Mayor, and Honorable Army de la Cruz Carrion, Municipal Mayor. Same certificate is awarded to Mr. Arvin O. Lasso for being one of the judges during the Lipad ng Bayan Carry-On Kite Flying Contest. Sorry, si po pala. Same certificate is awarded to Engineer John Albert Garay for being one of the judges during the Lipad Bayan ng Buwak Carry-On Kite Flying Contest. And now, let's proceed po sa ating special awards. Meron po tayong dalawang special awards. First is the largest kite will receive 1,500 pesos and best Bila-Bila themed kite will receive 1,500 pesos. And may we invite the judges po to give the award. Engineer Kashmir, Engineer Garay at Sir Arvin Lasso. But before that po, let me read po the citation to be given sa atin pong special award, Largest Kite, Republic of the Philippines, Province of Marinduque, Municipality of Buwak. Certificate of participation is awarded to for excellent performance in securing the largest kite in the Lipad Bayan ng Buwak Carry-On Kite Flying Contest in celebration of Bila-Bila Festival 2025 held at Buwak Sports Complex on May 21, 2025, given this 21st day of May 2025 at Buwak Sports Complex, Buwak, Marinduque. Signed, Honorable Mark Anthony E. Senyo, Municipal Vice Mayor, and Honorable Army de la Cruz Carrion, Municipal Mayor. Para po sa ating first special award, Largest Kite, walang iba kundi si Mr. Entry number 13, Mr. Jovito Malamig. Tapos pakidala daw po yung kite po dito sa unahan. Doon po sa largest kite po, kanina po kasi ay nag-proceed po tayo doon sa kite inspection and preliminary judging. nakuha po ang largest kite based po doon sa area po noong kite na present po doon sa unahan. Para man po sa ating next special award, the Best Bila-Bila Themed Kite, the winner is entry number 2, Ian Bantanig Piano. But before that, let me read po the citation of the certificate. Certificate of participation is hereby awarded to Sir Ian Bantanig Piano for excellent performance and securing the Best Bila-Bila Themed Kite in the Lipad, Bayan ng Buwak Carry On Kite Flying Contest in celebration of Bila-Bila Festival 2025 held at Buwak Sports Complex on May 21, 2025. Signed, Honorable Mark Anthony E. Senyo, Municipal Vice Mayor, and Honorable Army de la Cruz Carrion, Municipal Mayor.
Thank you. Ate?
Para naman po sa ating consolation prizes, para po sa munisipyo ng Buwak, from colorful creativity to skyscraping heights, truly, ang bawat isa po sa inyo ay winner sa puso ng ating bayan ng Buwak. You've all flown not just your kite, but also your passion, talent, and love for culture and nature. Para po sa ating consolation prize, we'll receive 1,000 pesos, garnered an average score of 84.67, entry number 15 of Mr. Aris Morales. For our next consolation prize, garnered an average score of 85.33, entry number 11, Maria Felicia Hami. For our next consolation prize, garnered an average score of 85.67, entry number 1, Mr. Jerry Mark Magalang.
Yay! Yay!
consolation prize garnered an average score of 86%. Entry number 13, Mr. Jovito Malamig. For our last consolation prize, garnered an average score of 86.67. Entry number 10, Mr. Redney Hasa. For the information po of everybody, yung kite po ninyo ay judge po natin based on our criteria. Craftsmanship, 20%. Visual appeal, 30%. Flying capacity, 30%. And relevance to the team, 20%. Third place, garnered an average score of 87.33. Congratulations, entry number 2, Mr. Ian Piano. For our second place, garnered an average score of 89.33. Congratulations, entry number 4, Mr. Renzo J. Hasa.
Magkano ba abo niya yung mga ganito? Meron ko yung bumanat.
And for this year's champion, garnered an average score of 91.67. Congratulations, entry number 8, Mr. Danilo Evangelista the First.
Ay, nakadilaw na nahalo. Pero, may class na naman kanina yan. Siguro dahil malapad. Malapad yung pakpakan. Yung pakalang lang sa sabi ko yan, nakadilaw. Pero. Malak ka. Siyapak na lalo. Malapad kasi. Yung mga hangin.
Congratulations po sa ating mga nanalo at higit sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng sumali. Sa inyo pong oras, your energy and creativity made this event truly unforgettable.